So first, like I always say in most of my French cornrows or French hairstyle, so you just have to dip the hair into like a room temperature water before you start braiding. And this step is so important because it kind of help unfreeze the hair, and it also prevents the hair from tangling while braiding and even after the braiding. So yeah, before you just start the braiding, you have to dip the hair. And while braiding, this hair is actually kind of fragile, so while braiding you have to be careful, and you just braid in style. So yeah, just continue. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for tuning into today's video. I'm sure that you will like to stay tuned for this detailed tutorial, because yeah, I uploaded a video about this same hairstyle like years ago or a year ago, but I'm not sure I shared most of the things I'm about to share in this video. So like I just said before, I uploaded a video like this previously, same hairstyle, French coils, but this video is actually in depth, like it's so detailed. So I advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to skip or miss any information I'm about to throw out or I'm about to give you guys, or any advice I'm about to give you on this particular hairstyle, because this hair or making this hair is not just to braid though, it's very tricky. So just stay tuned to learn one or two. So before I forget, usually before braiding any client hair, you want to make sure that the scalp of your client hair, the scalp is neat. So you wash the client hair with shampoo and conditioner, because most people actually tend to carry all these braids for like 2 months. So you just want the scalp and the hair to be neat so that it doesn't get, or it doesn't itch them, after braiding, and so that your work can actually be neat. So for this style, I actually braid the hair in small sizes, and it's a knotless braid. I also figured out that upcoming braiders cannot really differentiate between knotless braid and regular braid. So I think I'm going to film a detailed video on that as well, explaining the two difference between the two hair. So either I film it or I come up live here to talk about it and demonstrate the difference between the two. But for knotless braid, it's just like feeding in the braid until you get your desired cornrow. So that's it. So I just keep feeding in such a way that it won't be noticeable that you actually feed in the braid. So yeah, that's what we are doing, knotless braid. And for this style and for knotless, like, we are now used to braiding in lines, especially for knotless. It just gets the job look, like it makes the work look so neat, it makes the scalp look neat, well arranged. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing, braiding in lines, like in sections, in lines. So yeah, this is one of the situation about this hair. It's so slicky that after braiding, I had to tie the hair like about 7 to 9 times, if not more. And after that, I had to still apply gel to that part where I tied the knot so that it won't loosen. I also noticed that so many people even burn the knotted part after braiding or after tying the knot. So they kind of burn that part just so that it can remain that way. But for me, this gel method actually works. The gel method actually works, and I have tried it. I tried this method, it works. So if you have tried it or you're about to try it, please come back here to let us know if it works for you as well. I'd like to get your feedback. So let's try to share ideas. And for the gel I use, you guys already know, and OG, you already know. So I actually use Petals gel. The reason is because of the consistency. It's not watery, and it gets dry easily. So that's why I like to use Petals gel. Not so much, just apply a little amount like so. You guys can see it at the back of my hand, looking so tacky. It's actually Petals black gel, so I just take a little and just apply on the knotted part, and that's it. It stays that way until she wants to loosen the hair. But if you have any other method, you can still let us know in the comment section. So like I said before, I just mentioned two methods: tying the knot and applying gel, then allow it to dry. Or you can burn it, but the stress of burning almost, they cannot just like, I don't want to burn somebody's hair. I wanted to speak pidgin, so I don't want to burn somebody's hair. So that's why I like to use this. This is safer, like so safe. So far, this is what the hair looks like right now. The tip of the hair is giving what it's supposed to give. It's not losing, it's not looking tacky, so it's carefully braided, and that's what it is. So like I said before, it's a knotless braid. It's all right. For the hair or the braiding to be fast, we're about three people, or we're about three braiders. For me, I'm just braiding the hair from the roots, and then I'll go ahead to pass it to my assistant, which will further complete the hair, tie the knot, and also apply the gel like I explained initially. And then for the third person, she's actually an apprentice, which is just helping us. She's just helping us to give the extension, just so that the whole braiding will be fast. So let me just use this opportunity to tell you guys what I've been looking for. Like, I've been looking for that stuff people use or braiders use to place or arrange extension down before they start to braid. I just figured out that they do not sell it in Nigeria, or probably I didn't research well. But if you know where I can get it in Nigeria, especially in Abuja, not in Nigeria, because I think Lagos vendors do have it, but it's just the stress of the delivery, bringing it down to Abuja. Anyways, if you know where I can get it in Nigeria, please let me know in the comment section as well. So just in case you are interested in this hair, you can buy from us. The website is www.exquisitesignature.com. We also have luxury hairs, like different patterns, the style, and we have like different patterns and style, like bow straight, wavy, bounce, and coily hairs. We also have bundles of hairs, wigs styled in such a way that it will fit your face. We have braided wigs, we have hair products. Please try to patronize us. Check the website, and we ship worldwide, like all over the world. We ship using DHL. So like I said before, the website is www.exquisitesignature.com. It's going to be on the description box below and also on your screen. And for the info, in case you want to get the hair, this hair is not human hair. It's a sleek synthetic hair. We do not have the human hair at this point, but if you are so interested in the human hair, you can still let us know. We'll make that available as well. And just in case, so you have it at the back of your mind, that the human hair pattern or the human hair French coils is not cheap. So just have that at the back of your mind while you are commenting or leaving a comment that you want the human hair pattern of these French coils. So you guys, as a braider and a hairstylist for years, I've been braiding for a very long time. So if you're an OG, you already know that I've been braiding since I was small. So I kind of figure out that there are different types of or different ways to braid that will give you different results. So I also noticed that there are different ways to also twist hair that will also give you different results. So you need to either film a tutorial, like a detailed tutorial, or I'm going to come up live to explain what I mean by this, like the two different ways to braid and then the two different ways to twist that will give you different results. And to get a fuller look of this, you need about 3 to 4 bundles of the hair, but we, or for my client that is sitting right here, we used 3.5 bundles just so that it can come out this full. And she used 18 inches and 12 inches, I think. Yeah, that's what she used. She used 18 inches and 12 inches. You can also trim the hair to a desired length of choice. And yeah, here's the final look. Don't you just like these French coils? Don't you think that these French coils will suit you for this Christmas, this holiday season? I'm so sure you want to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share the video to friends and family. I will talk to you guys in my next video. And don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. It's important. So yeah, bye. Stay blessed. Bye.